Picture this. You completely forgot a special occasion, and now you're desperately trying to write a romantic poem to save yourself. But after staring at a blank page for 10 minutes, you realize the only word you can rhyme with love is glove. Yeah, you're doomed. Let's be honest. If you aren't a poet, writing poetry usually just sounds like a bad nursery rhyme. I needed a cheat code to save the day. So, I hit the internet. How to write a poem instantly. Wait a second. Toolsnack.com has a free AI poem generator? Alright, let's see how this works. I'm going to type in my theme. Sorry I forgot our anniversary, but I brought pizza. Now let's hit.
Hey, don't just click generate yet. Put the rhyming dictionary down and use the secret weapons.
Whoa. Snack? What secret weapons?
Welcome to toolsnack.com. You have total control over the structure and the soul of the poem. Check the menus.
Menus? Oh wow. Okay, let's build this. First up, poetry style. A haiku is too short to show I care. Let's go with a sonnet to give it that dramatic Shakespearean apology vibe.
Good choice. Now frame it up.
Okay, for line length and structure, I'll choose medium lines, and for the length of poem, let's do 3 stanzas. I need it long enough to sound convincing. Now, rhyme scheme. Let's make it catchy with AABB. And wait, there's a menu for meter and rhythm? I'll pick iambic so it has that classic rhythmic heartbeat feel.
You've got the skeleton. Now give it some soul.
Right. For tone, let's go with romantic. But for figurative language, I'm choosing hyperbole because I need to drastically exaggerate how sorry I am.
Don't forget the imagery.
Imagery and symbolism. Let's pick celestial imagery so it compares the pizza to the moon and the stars. Poetic devices focus. Let's add some alliteration to make it sound fancy. Finally, point of view, first person, so it comes from me. And generate. Bro, that is actually insane.
Told you. The AI does all the heavy lifting. And hey, if you ever get stuck or want to learn what all those poetic terms mean, just scroll down the page. There's an official video tutorial right there to show you exactly how to use everything.
This changes everything. You can generate completely unique, personalized poetry in seconds without needing an English degree. Head over to toolsnack.com right now to use the AI poem generator.
But let's be real for a second. Toolsnack can write you an absolute masterpiece of a romantic sonnet. But if you try to read it out loud to your partner while wearing your wrinkled 3-day-old gaming hoodie, they are still going to know you used AI. You're on your own for that.
He makes a fair point. Good luck out there, everyone. Drop your best generated poems in the comments. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.